Hello, good evening to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. This is Rajib Datta in front of you. I took on a 100 video challenge in 100 days. Dear listeners, I'm still learning English. Please forgive me if I make any mistakes. My today's topic is importance of learning English. Learning English is very important because it helps in many ways. Here are some simple reasons why learning English is useful. Number one, helps to talk with people. English is spoken in many countries. If you know English, you can talk to people from different places. Number two, better study and job. Many good schools, colleges, and jobs need English. If you know English, you can study well and get better jobs. Number three, use the internet and technology. Most information on the internet is in English. Many apps, websites, and new technology use English. Knowing English makes it easier to learn new things. Number four, easy travel. When you travel to other countries, English helps you talk to people at airports, hotels, and restaurants. Number five, good for business. Many big companies use English for work. If you know English, you can work in international companies and earn more money. Number six, enjoy movies and songs. Many popular movies, songs, and books are in English. If you understand English, you can enjoy them without needing translation. Number seven, make new friends. English helps you make friends from different countries and learn about their culture. At last, I can say learning English is very helpful in life. It gives you more chances to succeed and enjoy new experiences. Okay, thanks for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.